Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is before 6. The moon's still up. The sun ain't up yet. This is the perfect time to get ready to set up for cold start, because it's actually the perfect time. And I just dropped Scotty off at the airport about 45 minutes ago, and they're taxiing out. So we might get a guest appearance by Scotty flying through the air. It's the amazing flying muskrat. So I want to speed up our idle on cold start. I don't think it's too rich or lean. I think it just needs a little more throttle opening. So I'm gonna have to get down in here, which is really fun to get to. It's easy when you open the throttle. And just give us just that little bit more. So we'll get that going. That figured out, we'll give it a try. Here comes Scotty's plane. All right, I'm giving it about a turn and a half on the idle speed screw. I need to check on our choke and see how it's gonna do, because I did lean it up a little bit at Joey's, but this is the perfect time to do cold start. So, and we just saw Scotty leave. All right, cold start fun. Pretty nice with the choke. Gave that 3 pumps and hit the key. It's a key inner. Yeah, baby. That's nice. All right, so all we gotta do is a little weld touch up here on the exhaust. And just check over some little minor stuff. Away we go. All right, we've been running about 5 minutes. Snappy. I know we gotta look at the belts as well. We do have a little squeak. We gotta take care of that for Joey. And I think we discussed something with the dash lights, but easy enough. Get this taken care of.